Kakay. Ay, Diyos ko po. Ay, kawawa naman. Ate guys. Ate guys.
Guys.
Guys. Guys. Ate guys.
Guys.
Ate guys.
Kakay. Asan si nanay?
Wait lang.
Guys. Oh my dugo.
Inaano kasi niya yung ano niya, dila. Nakagat yung dila.
Kakay. Okay. Asan si Jesus? Ay, si Jesus. Oh. Amen. Hi, guys. Guys.
Oh. Kakay. Oh. Sige, isuka mo lang, bibi. Guys. Isuka mo lang, ate guys. Oh. Ay, Diyos ko.
Okay.
Ate guys. Okay na? Ate guys. Ate guys, okay na? Lambot na? Oh. Nahihirapan si ate guys. Imik na. Hello, ate guys. Okay na? Dami na ng suka mo mamaya. Liliguan ni mami ha.